Hey everybody, it's Stuart here, and in today's video, I quickly wanted to show you a slight change which Meta has made in their advertising setup when it comes to optimizations. So if we have just selected the image and we go to the next section, you will see here that the All Optimizations button has been turned on. However, we can't immediately see the optimizations. And if you see this setup, all we need to do to find each optimization is click on the present button and then scroll down to see 8 more active enhancements. And what that is going to do is open up the enhancements which we are accustomed to seeing when we get to the optimized stage. And then from here, we can edit the enhancements as we see fit. And if you want to turn one off, just zoom in on the one and click on the blue dot until it turns to gray. And once that has been done, that particular optimization will be turned off. I hope you found this video useful, especially with the new layout of the Meta advertising platform. Be mindful of how this may appear and have a fantastic day, everybody.